This is the basic formula for differentiating a power of x. So what you do is you multiply by the power and you knock the power down one. So for example, if you start with x to the power of 4, to differentiate it, you will multiply by 4 and you will reduce the power to 3. If you've got a couple of terms, then you just do them separately. And if you've got any numbers in front, just multiply by that. So 2x squared, when differentiated, we're going to multiply by the 2, so that will give us 4, and the power will go down to just 1, which we don't normally write. For the second one, we're going to multiply by the 3, so that will give us -9, and we'll knock the power down to a 2. Now what you may need to do is rewrite what you've been given in index form first so that you can use this rule more easily. So for example, here in the first one we've got 1 over x to the 3. Now in index form that would be x to the -3. And then if we're going to differentiate it, then we're going to multiply by -3. And we're going to take off 1 from the power, so that will now become -4. In this second one, we've got the 4th root of x. So in index form, that would look like x to the power of 1/4. And when we differentiate, we're going to multiply by 1/4. If we take off 1, we'll be left with -3/4 as our power. And you might have to use both things at the same time. So 1 over the square root of x is going to be x to the -1/2. And then when we differentiate, that's going to be -1/2 x to the power of -3/2.